Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 77, Liability of banker for negligently dealing with bill presented for payment. Section 77 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with the responsibility and liability of a banker in handling a bill of exchange that has been presented for payment and dishonored. The provision imposes a duty of care upon the banker and provides protection to the holder against loss caused by negligent or improper conduct of the banker in dealing with the bill. 1. Applicability of the provision. This section applies specifically to a bill of exchange that has been accepted, made payable at a specified bank, duly presented there for payment, and subsequently dishonored. Accordingly, the provision concerns bills of exchange where a particular bank has been designated as the place of payment and the bill has already reached the stage of dishonor. 2. Meaning of accepted bill payable at a specified bank. An accepted bill of exchange is one in which the drawee has signified his assent to pay the bill at maturity. Where the bill states that payment is to be made at a specified bank, that bank becomes the authorized place for presentment and payment. The holder must therefore present the bill at that bank in accordance with the law relating to presentment. 3. Requirement of due presentment. The section operates only where the bill has been duly presented for payment in accordance with the legal requirements relating to the proper place, proper time, and correct manner of presentment. Only after such valid presentment and subsequent dishonor does the responsibility of the banker under this section arise. 4. Dishonor of the bill. A bill is dishonored when payment is refused or cannot be obtained upon proper presentment for payment. Once dishonor occurs, the banker must handle the bill carefully because the holder's rights and remedies may depend upon the possession and condition of the instrument. 5. Duty of care imposed on the banker. Section 77 imposes a duty upon the banker not to deal negligently or improperly with a dishonored bill of exchange. The banker must exercise reasonable care while retaining, handling, processing, or returning the bill, because the bank acts in a position of trust and professional responsibility. 6. Negligent or improper conduct. The section applies where the banker negligently keeps, improperly deals with, or wrongfully and carelessly delivers back a dishonored bill of exchange. Negligence may include misplacing, losing, damaging, or unnecessarily delaying the return of the bill, as well as delivering it to an unauthorized person or otherwise prejudicing the holder's rights. 7. Requirement of loss to the holder. The banker becomes liable only where negligent or improper conduct causes actual loss to the holder of the dishonored bill. Accordingly, the holder must prove negligence and resulting loss, which may include inability to proceed against liable parties, loss of evidence of dishonor, or financial loss affecting enforcement of rights under the bill. 8. A liability to compensate. Where loss is caused due to the banker's negligence or improper conduct, the banker is legally bound to compensate the holder. The compensation is intended to place the holder in the position he would have occupied had the banker exercised proper care. For more details, contact us.